Today we're checking out a powerful all-in-one roadside emergency tool, the GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Whether you're dealing with a dead battery or low tyre pressure, this compact unit claims to have you covered with jump-starting power and a built-in air pump. Let's dive in. The GOOLOO A3 packs up to 3,000 amps of jump-starting power, capable of restarting 12-volt batteries in cars and trucks, even larger gasoline or diesel engines. It's designed to support up to 9-litre gas engines or 6.5-litre diesel engines on a single charge. It's not just a jumper, it's a multifunction roadside essential. Jump starter. Reliable boost to get you out of dead battery trouble. Built-in air compressor. Up to 150 psi with an auto shut-off feature, perfect for topping up tyre pressure without overinflation. Inflation modes. Multiple modes for cars, bikes, SUVs, and even bulls, or custom settings via included nozzles. Imagine you're on a long drive and your battery suddenly goes dead. Instead of calling for help, you can jumpstart your vehicle right then and there. And if you notice your tyre pressure is low on the way to your destination, this tool doubles as a tyre inflator with smart auto shut-off so you don't overinflate. It also includes handy extras like a bright LED flashlight for night situations and can serve as a portable power bank to charge phones or tablets when needed. Bottom line, the GOOLOO A3 is an all-around emergency companion for drivers. It's compact, versatile, and designed to keep you moving whether it's a dead battery or a flat tyre. If you want peace of mind on the road, this combo unit might be worth considering. Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for more details.